Hello, in this video I will show you how to get started with RPM. So what is RPM? It's a made for you system for affiliate marketing. To get started in affiliate marketing, it's very efficient, very well done, and it is working because everything is done for you. So you can take it as a starting point, or even if you have already experience in affiliate marketing, you can have it on the side as a set of products for you. So how to get started with it? First, you go to the link in the description and you put your email address. Okay, you put your email address here. It will go to page 2. So I will not go into all the details of this funnel because you can listen to the videos of James Neville Taylor and discover his story and the system, the RPM, why, what is it, and everything. But to get started, really, I will break it down because you don't need to look at everything. Of course, you will do it, but I want to give you an overview of how to do it. So at some point, when you follow, at some point you will reach this page, which is the number 5. At this point, usually you should have already opened a WirePlus account and a Builderall account. Both are free, but you need them. WirePlus is an affiliate platform. That's where the RPM products are being sold. So it's an affiliate platform. It means that all the checkout and your affiliate commission are handled by WirePlus, which is not James Neville Taylor. So you don't need to trust James to pay you your commission because it goes through an affiliate platform which pays commissions for sure, and you have other products on this platform. So RPM is just one of them. So you have your WirePlus account. Then you go to the RPM offer and you ask permission to be an affiliate for this, and you will be granted this permission. Also, Builderall, what is it? Builderall is a all-in-one platform for digital marketing. So you can create websites, have an email autoresponder, and many tools for digital marketing. It's a very powerful platform, but it's more a tool. And for instance, RPM is made with Builderall. So you see, if you have not any other tool, you should have a Builderall account. And even if you have WordPress or something, give yourself this gift of Builderall. You take the account, it's free for 14 days, and after you have to pay monthly. But try it. And for me, I have it for 4 years now. So it doesn't matter. It's a very good software. Otherwise, I would not be still in it, of course. So it's a good thing. And what is important in RPM is that you are also an affiliate of Builderall. So you are the affiliate of RPM with the WirePlus, but also you are an affiliate of Builderall. And to be an affiliate, you need to be a customer of Builderall. Also, in Builderall, you have an email autoresponder. In affiliate marketing, it is very important. It's like the number 1 priority is to grow your email list, because you will use this email list to send other offers, affiliate offers. So you can use Builderall autoresponder. And in RPM, you can get all the leads, the email that are, when you promote RPM, people put in their email, and you get them added to your email list in Builderall. That's why you should take Builderall for sure. It's kind of optional. If you don't want to be an affiliate for Builderall, if you don't want to grow your email list, you can not take it, of course. But my advice and how to get started is to take Builderall, and also to take RPM as RPM Pro. I will explain why later on, but now I want to show you, when you arrive at this page, you should have already your Builderall account and your WirePlus account. So what they tell you here is to go to Builderall and to get your affiliate ID, and also to set up your email list in Builderall so you can have the ID of the list. And then when you have everything, you have this form to fill in. Why? It's because this form, when you fill it in, you enter the email where you want to receive the email. you will receive an email with your affiliate link for RPM. The affiliate link for RPM is not your Wire Plus affiliate link to RPM. It's another link which it's like they say master link. It is this link that you should use for RPM. It's important to understand. Don't use the Wire Plus link. Wire Plus link, you will put it here in this field. So first you put the address email where you want to receive your final link, your Builderall ID, so affiliate ID that you will find in a Builderall office, your Wire Plus link, affiliate link, you put it here, your first name. This will be used in the email that James Navy Taylor sends to the leads. Because when the leads enter their email, they are added to James' email list and also to your list in Builderall. And the last field is your email list ID that you create in the email autoresponder of Builderall, which is called Mailing Boss. You create the list and you get its ID and you enter it here. When you have put everything here, you click on the button and you receive by email your master link, your affiliate link for RPM. That's the one you will send traffic to. So this is how to get started. Really, it's important to get to this point, to fill in every information, to get your email, and this is the email that you will use from now on. You will not use Wire Plus link or other things, just this master link to send people to. And you will get the email into your email list, and you will be an affiliate for Builderall and Wire Plus. So what is important in RPM is that there are two status. You can be using it for free. So if you want to use it for free, you will receive commissions on some products of RPM. You can also not take Builderall, so you won't be an affiliate of Builderall, and you won't have the email. And you can do that, send traffic, and waste it, in my opinion. Because if you are a Builderall customer and affiliate, and also if you buy RPM Pro, which is a subscription, if you get RPM Pro, then you get 100% or 90% in a Wire Plus, but I mean the full amount, you get this commission on other RPM Pro sales. If the people you send to RPM buy RPM Pro, you get almost all of the money, and it's a recurring commission. And also you get higher percentage commission rate on other product of RPM, higher than if you are not pro, if you are in the free RPM. So you know what is important to be RPM Pro is because you really invest in this program. Because when you are RPM Pro and you are a Builderall customer, then you start your life as affiliate marketer, because you have a tool in Builderall which allows you to make a lot of pages, sites. You are okay with digital marketing. You can do anything with this tool. So then you can find other offers, have ideas, make tests, do things with Builderall. And also, as you are RPM Pro, you are paying every month for this, so you are more motivated to really don't stop sending traffic to RPM. This is your number one mission. For instance, in Builderall, you could create a website about RPM, a blog, so that you can receive traffic from Google to your blog, talking about RPM, talking about your results or ideas in affiliate marketing, and always redirecting this traffic to your RPM, because you are invested in it. And for you, it will not cost you so much, because you will sell. And when you sell other RPM Pro to people, you don't control this. When they buy it, you get the commission, almost all, 90%. So really, if you sell 2 RPM Pro to others, your own RPM Pro is free from now on. And it's the same for Builderall. If you are a Builderall customer and you promote RPM, eventually you will have people who will buy Builderall for themselves. Out of the many that you send, some will buy RPM Pro, some not, some will buy Builderall, some other not, some will buy other products of RPM. It's a lot of things. But when they buy Builderall, those who buy, you get 30% every month. So for Builderall, you need really 4 sales, 4 people who bought Builderall so that your own Builderall account will not cost you anything. For RPM Pro, you just need 2 people who buy it so that your own RPM Pro doesn't cost you anything. So you see, when you start this game with RPM, okay, you pay for sure, but you are so motivated, you invest, and this is your number one activity from now on online. And eventually, you have to have some faith in it. Because if you bought it, there are other people who will bought it also, because they will see. Most people will not, but some will. And since you are 100% into this system or affiliate marketing in general, you will get commission money. And what you pay, you will, when you take what you earn and remove what you pay, you will be profitable. That means you will have more money, you earn more money than you pay. So at this point, you are set, and then you just continue and grow those earnings. Okay. So what is good with this is that when you start at minus something, and your first goal in this video game, is to get to 0, so it doesn't cost you anything. And as I said, it's about 2 customers in RPM Pro, and maybe 3 or 4 customers in Builderall, and you are sure every month to earn the money that you pay every month yourself. Or it could be, for instance, that you sell 5 RPM Pro and no Builderall, but it's enough because it will cover your own Builderall cost. So it doesn't matter, but what is good is that it is a first objective, a first goal in this game. You have to take it as a game, also as a business. It depends. If you really enjoy games, then you can take it only as a game. But if you don't like games, you will not understand this idea of seeing the whole thing as a game. In this case, just think of it as a business. So a business, you don't just do it once every other day or other week. You are kind of obsessed by it. It's the same with the video game. And so you do it every day. You do something, or you think about what to do in order to grow your business or grow your skills in this game. So that's it for this video. It's how to get started really. What is important, I saw in the group that people are confused. They don't know what to do, because you ask them to open a Wire Plus account, ask for permission, then open a Builderall. What is it? I don't know. Mailing Boss. They are lost. What is important is to get to this page, enter the information, get the master link, and this is the link you will send traffic to. No other link at first time, of course. This is your affiliate link. That's what I wanted to say in this video. Now, if you have any question or other things, you can first take Builderall from my link in the description of this video, and then you can contact me, because I'm in RPM several months now, and it's working fine. So, but I have experience in affiliate marketing in French, so for me this is my things in English. I didn't have to do it. That's what is interesting with this, is that it's already made for you in English, so you can just promote it. Because in French, I have to do this myself and then promote it. The promotion is the everyday task we have to do, and eventually we have to find ways of having passive traffic in order to get passive income. So the passive income, this is the machine for this RPM, so rapid profit machine. But then you need a machine for passive traffic. So a machine to send traffic automatically to your machine to get profit. This is the machine to get profit, and the machine to get passive traffic will be, for instance, doing a YouTube channel with videos regularly and putting a link to your RPM in the description of each video on your YouTube channel. Eventually, it will create passive traffic to your RPM. Also, like I said before, creating a website or a blog about RPM, adding articles, eventually it will become a passive traffic source of traffic to your RPM if you do it correctly. A blog and YouTube channel. I'm not talking about social networks such as Instagram or Facebook, because those are for immediate traffic, and you work, you get some traffic maybe, but it's not passive, it's not in the future. On YouTube and blogs, the things you do today will still get you traffic in 3 months, in 1 year. That's why you should prioritize this to build your machine for passive traffic. But also when you create a video on YouTube, then you can take this video and send it on Facebook. It doesn't cost you anything because you don't create the video for Facebook, but you create it for your YouTube. But when you have it, you can send it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you have some time and you don't have any idea of what you could do better things, then you can use social medias. That's my advice for this. Bye bye.